Today, we, the Karbi Student Associations, along with others, organizations of Karbi Anglong, we would like to express our disappointment regarding the question paper leak of Secondary Education Board of Assam. We have came to note from various sources, from various news, that the question paper of matriculation exam 2023 have been leaked. So we, the Karbi Student Associations, along with other organizations of Karbi Anglong, we would like to condemn Dr. Ranus Pegu, the Education Minister of Assam, and also we would like to condemn the Chief Minister of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is called as the energetic and dynamic Chief Minister of Assam. But we, the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to call him that he is the most incompetent Chief Minister of Assam, and Dr. Ranus Pegu is the most incompetent Education Minister of Assam. So we, the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to appeal that Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma should apologize to the people of Assam, and Dr. Ranus Pegu should resign from Education Minister because he is not fit to be the Education Minister of Assam. Because the Chief Minister of Assam and the Education Minister of Assam have played with the future of the students of Assam, and as well the students of Karbi Anglong. We, the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to outrightly and categorically condemn the Chief Minister and also appeal the government of Assam, particularly the Chief Minister of Assam, to apologize for their incompetency, and we would like to demand the resignations of Dr. Ranus Pegu. He is not fit to be the Education Minister of Assam, so he should be resigned, and he should express his apology to the student, to the parents of Assam, and also to the people